It was a great time at the first ever Cape Cod Electric Vehicle Car and Drive Show held at the Barnstable Municipal Airport in Hyannis. The Barnstable Municipal Airport, Cape Air, Cape and Vineyard Electric Cooperative, and Green Energy Consumers Alliance invited real-life electric vehicle owners and representatives from environmental and energy organizations to talk about going green at home and on the road.
We're involved in this electric car show, and it's a lot of fun. The event today is, an electric vehicle show to help people on Cape Cod familiarize themselves with the fact that there's a great demand for these things.
I am here with my friend Steve Hibbert, and he brought his Volt to show at our event today, which is the Cape Cod EV Car Show and Drive. They are ambassadors because they love their Volt, and they're here to show it off and talk about it.
I like this event because it shows you the diversity of the new cars and all the other cars that everybody has around here, and it just shows how passionate people are about, electricity and renewable solar and that type of stuff.
Many organizations were on hand to talk about ways they're working to reduce Cape Cod's carbon footprint.
We are working to reduce climate change causing emissions in a way that is smart for consumers. So we run an electric vehicle program called Drive Green that helps folks get into cars with a discount at purchase or lease. But why it's important for the Cape? So first, if you care about climate change and environmental impacts, electric cars are the clear winner. The fuel costs are lower, the maintenance costs are lower, and they're also just a lot of fun to drive, and people really love them.
We see EV vehicle adoption as really going hand in hand with our mission to reduce people's energy usage and help them become more environmentally friendly, reduce our carbon footprint.
So today we're hoping to kind of bring awareness to EV charging, as everybody else here is, and we're also hoping to get people excited for all the incoming infrastructure that we have currently in development around the state of Massachusetts and in particular the Cape.
Living on Cape Cod, we're the canary in the coal mine with regard to sea level rise and carbon output, and really switching over our vehicles and getting into plug-ins, not to mention having wind power and solar power to power them, is the way we are going to have the greatest impact.
For my Cape and Vineyard Electric Cooperative group, it is an opportunity to help our members and the public understand that going with an electric car is possible. It is now. It is happening.
And in addition to being fun, the event was educational.
There's a lot more manufacturers here making electric cars and hybrid cars than I had realized originally.
I'm just hoping that people who don't really know what an electric car is like can come and talk to some real owners, hear what it's like to drive in Massachusetts in the winter, in the summer, and also get behind the wheel and feel how powerful and fun these cars are.
I think that everyone should drive an electric vehicle. They're quiet, they're clean, they're efficient, they get great mileage, there's no maintenance, and really, if you haven't looked at it, you should check it out for your next car.
The EV Car and Drive Show was held Saturday, September 14th. For Cape Media News, I'm Gabrielle Rosson.